Good afternoon. It's 3:34 on Friday, almost the end of trading day, and I just wanted to chime in very quickly. We're still going down, but I think we're about to close this gap. I'm tempted to buy some more ERX at the point where we hit 52.21, which will most likely be next week. My positions stand as follows: 150 shares of ERX, 200 shares of ERY. And basically, I might start moving some stuff around to get into a little bit ERX at that point, because the reason why we went down was really because the dollar went up. Whatever, that's some news right there. But it could get another pop. OPEC is really the one that drives the supply demand thing. So maybe we're already on the way down. I don't know. I just let's do a quick analysis for the weekly. Coming down, I think we hit this gap. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens when next week comes around. But to see what kind of picture. Monthly is the one now that I'm most curious about, because, and we got another couple of weeks to go, but basically, we're testing highs here. We're testing this again, this bar and this bar. All right, we're testing that, and if we close below it, it gets into these bars. It starts going to the bottom of the bars. So, and that's a light volume too. That's 485 versus 423. We'll beat that. So the real support level is right here, right? So this is a high of 47.99. We closed above it in February. Then we closed again. We tested again in March, and then closed above it. Same thing for April. Same thing for May. May actually didn't get to didn't test March, but she did fail March. All right, May failed March. So, but bounced off of, what did she bounce off of? She bounced off of some light. I forgot. I think she came down as far as here or here. What did she do last month? What happened last month? What did she do last month? Last month, she got high. Yeah, that's what it was. She got up high to 54,365. Then she came down. We're talking May, right? So May. She got up high, and then she. What did she test? She came down 51.18 to 51.18. So then if I go there on a monthly, 51.18 was this bar. So she got above March, failed on March, but then found support in April. She got to the top. She got into the top of the April bar, and then bounced up. Right? Yeah, she went to 51.18, and then she closed at 52.21. No, she closed in the bar. 51.20. Yeah, no. She did close above it. So that was a test. She found right. Let's check it out again. Hold on. Where did she close at? 52.21. That's right. So she did. That was right. She failed in March. She failed in March for May. She failed March, but then she found support in April. And then we came right back up over here for June. And we're failing at these highs again. And then I think she failing over here too. 55.4. Yeah, she's failing these guys so far. So at this point, basically, June has to find support. Otherwise, it could just keep going down. We'll see what the next 2 weeks bring. But, you know, this is shaping up for a failure at these highs. And so we start going lower faster than I anticipated. I was hoping for a July time frame. But, you know, but look at these bars. Look at the range of this. What's the range of this? $11, and the range of this is $25. So it can start accelerating on the way down. I'm still confident we're gonna hit 23.57. The question is, you know, what time frame? Could be Q3, could be Q4. When did we hit it? When did we start that descent? In December. This is October, November, December. What happens in July? In July, she comes down a little bit, goes sideways, and then December. Right? What is this time frame? This is December. And the beginning of the year goes up. Then December goes down. In the winter, the prices go down. In the summer, looks like towards when the colder the days, she starts coming down. Right? October. So what would that translate to if we go off of that analysis? Q4. Labor Day, we start going lower. We hit a significantly lower price. Sounds good. That means now's a good time to jump into ERY, which I already have. I split my funds. So basically at ERY, last time we were at ERY, which was November of last year, over here, we were supposed to go close that gap back then, and suddenly it jumped up out of nowhere. But the last time we were down here in November, ERY hit at $80 per share price. So with my 200 shares, that's 16,000. That's not bad. That's good money. And I might add to it. Buy a couple of more shares, maybe 100 more shares while it's still in the teens. It's possible. Okay, I'll be trading.